What is digital transformation? Digital transformation is the process of using digital technologies to create or modify existing practices, culture, and customer experience to meet changing business and market requirements. The goal is to increase a company's value through innovation, invention, customer experience, and efficiency. Two key aspects of digital transformation are digitization and digitalization. Digitization is the process of translating analog information and data into digital form. It allows for easier finding and sharing of information within a company. Digitalization is the use of digital technologies to make established business practices easier and more efficient. Evolving technology is at the forefront of digital transformation. AI and the Internet of Things help to drive advancements in production, optimize manufacturing processes, and adapt to consumer demand. Cloud-based software provides real-time visibility into supply chain logistics. Machine learning provides insights into customer experience. If you like this information on digital transformation, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.